How to send photos as snaps on your Snapchat. To do this, first of all, open your Snapchat application, and then if you go into the chats and send any photos that you have on your gallery by selecting the gallery icon, then it will be sent as a photo. But if you want to send a snap, then you have to go back and record a small video. Once you do this, you'll see a plus button which is on the left side. Click on that, and then there you will see import media option. Hit on that and select that photo and click on the right. And now you have to delete the previously recorded video. Simply click on that and hit on the video delete icon. Now only your photo will be remain. Now click on the right button and then click on the preview and then send it to the one you want to send it. Once you send it, it will be sent as a snap. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.